was a nobody, but now I'm a somebody.
I like this song so much.
Wanna be a star.
Hi guys, I'm at the car wash. I'm telling a man.
Back where I came from.
Good morning, sis. Good morning.
They gon' get lula.
Happy Sunday to you too, doll.
Last you got corner. A snitch why you pull out. I was a nobody, but now I'm a somebody. Got even little see, but now I'm a guy see. I just wanna be a star. Baby boy, I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, at the top's where I belong. And I'm barely home, I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me, mama told me keep it going. Wanna be a star, be a star. We gon' make it and it's written in the stars. Now a couple people praying that I fall. They don't wanna see you black man ball. I stay back, gotta get my leg up. Wanna put my mama on that whip and take her. I just wanna tuck one of my brothers home and take her. I don't give a fuck about no haters, see you later. I don't wanna get home, I just wanna be a star. Baby boy, I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, and the top's where I belong. I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me, mama told me keep it low.
Anisai discuss indaba zabantu ngoSunday kwaba comments chashe mani namahloni. Oh, bafazi. Oh, bafazi ngeke. Oh, hayibo anisa discuss. Moya ngcwele. Yo, shame. Oh. Baze ba ayo. Ay shame anamahloni and abantu besifazane dog. Oh, plus this snake kuku 2.0. Nalo ngimthekile la ungifakele le tag hayi babhizi back and forth. Yes. Iyo yona lento basitshela yona. Yes, the other one used the same. Hey. I cha shame ngiyahleba shame. Niyahleba and futhi hayi ukuthi niyahleba. It's not like you guys dug it out. Like it was already there. Like since when? Since it's been a month now. It's been a month now, sihlukene, so musana ukwenze ngathi you guys dug it out. Like I've been going live talking about it, so musana ukwenze ngathi nje into kade sifihliwe. Just last week someone asked me, are you in a relationship? I did say I'm single. So musana ukwenze ngathi because bengingafihla ningazi, bengingafuni nazi bengeke nazi. Ayibo. Usimama nika, usimama. Usimama nika, usimama. Usmamanika, Musmaman. Usmamanika, Musmaman. Usmamanika, Musmaman. Usmamanika, Musmaman. Usmamanika, Musmaman. I just need a take, how am I?
Drip, give it fresh, how am I? Pull up in the pants, how am I? Slap on my dick,
How am I?
I just need a take, how am I? Funi to the drip,
How am I? Sasale ole.
how am I? Then it will sit, how am I? I just need a take, how am I? Drip, give it fresh, how am I? Pull up in the pants, how am I? Slap on my dick, how am I?
Uti, Cindy, is it necessary to delete pictures of your ex on social media after breakup? Yes. What the fuck? Yes, delete her. Inja ayihambe dog.
Hey, oh my niggas shoot. Abaling amaku. And they really always tryna catch my drift, chasing you punyo. I might pull up in a tonka, gada think these are melu. All eyes on the hit, young boy, here's my music barely. Better back hit, still one more, yes, I'm daily. All I see is upstate teaming up, but still I'm mundane. In my money and shit, they working overtime, bong, and paid. Man, thought I told y'all, Funi doesn't kulunge lagi. Tryna diss who's on melody. No 9 to 5, but I'm putting that work. I'm making sure my mulali heat. Tryna be a cover of a magazine. Are you gang or up? No in between. And I'm lit as gas. Pick up myself. Then he's saying that they
I just need
telling
a
me.
take, how am I?
Drip, even fresh.
How am I?
Pull up in the pants.
How am I?
Slap on my dick.
How am I? I just need a take, how am I?
Funi to the drip.
How am I? Sasale ole. How am I?
Then he will sit.
How am I? I just need a take,
How am I? Drip, even fresh. How am I? Pull up in the pants. How am I? Slap on my dick.
how am I?
I just need to take. How am I?
Ngayithenga Mr. Price lezi book. Guys, musana kwenza, because I think this is the first time I've involved the public in my relationship this loud. And since kwabe me no wantshela and imina futhi uzontshela mase sihlukene sesikade sihlukanile, it's been a month now and I decided to talk about it like 2 weeks or a week back. Yeah, so bakithi musana ukwenze ngathi because kade ngangijola ningayazi imjolo yami because mengifuna ukuyifihla ngizoyifihla and ngeke nazi shem. Ngeke nazi shem. Ngeke imina owenzayo ukuthi okay bazowazi mengafuni futhi sinazi angifuni usinazi unless someone dug out my things, like how they did me dirty just at the beginning of the year. They did me fucking dirty, but it's fine. That was dug up. Yeah, but that was dug up like that, like from some. Actually, it wasn't dug up. It was, I was exposed for it. Umuntu engimthembile, but it's fine. Asikho lapho. Guys, I have commitments tomorrow. Say I have to be sober. I have to be sober. Ningayenze ngathi. Lalela yabona nje indaba zamjolo nje ethi fuck. Ngiphinde ngibone ngizoqhubeka ngizenzele imali umuntu ongitshela. Alright. Umuntu ongitshela ukuthi angithanda ngizomtshela ukuthi awuhambe uthanda abazali bakho. How about that? Ngiphansi into ujoyina. Uy, bazongikhipha emotweni ngeke labantu bazoyisula manje. Ngeza. Oh, my phone. So good out. Huh? I must reverse. Angozwa. Angekuvuleka. Ish. Okay. It's fine. And then say good night. All right. guys break up? Ngicela ku TikTok. Bunga bothi mina? Right. Eh? Well, ngihamba ngikushiyela i-drink namhlanje. Yo. Ngizobona, anginawo cash la inkinga yami. Alright. Le moto lena ayifuni uhambe no-key. Or else izohayiza lezi imoto lezi ey'nkosi yami. Giving attachment issues. Well, actually, I won't put my business out there like that. I won't tell anyone what happened, but again, messy. Hello. Running near this to social. Oh, I'm so Zulu. Why did I have to say the whole istulo sokushala like that? Oh, tsingihlalela ngeni kodwa. Tsingihlalela eNando's. Kuyabanda South Africa, shame. What a bad time to go through a breakup. What a fuck. Enamvusi. Mase ngishisa lo ngizohlala lapha yana. So ke nesiphongo sami Nkosi yami. Ngizonixoxela ngamancozi indaba zami. Ayibo. Buyisihliziyo. Ja, usingle manje. Hey, ethi ngisazoba single mina. Yazi into engibaselayo. Ngibasela ukuthi umuntu ufikile wangisukela ngiyihlalele, ngiyisingle ngihappy. Ngiyakhumbula bengihappy kanjani last year ngabo. Kalezi insuku lezi bengihappy. Ngisazana with my other friend, Siya Nomikepi, nje. So, nje yabona yonke leyo nto leyo. I thought ukuthi and ayikho ukuthi akukho nokuthi mhlambe hey yazini moya ngcwele. Fly high, little birdie. It was nice doing business. Anyways, get serious. Got the guys like. Another thing, one thing I want to tell you guys is, if you're in a relationship with someone and then ubachele izinto ezikuhlukumezile empilweni, like you get comfortable because like you feel like they'll escape. I mean, what's the reason ukuthi ube ne boyfriend or a friend if bangabi escape yakho when you're going through shit? Like that person was actually my escape. Like I felt like, okay, this person, when I'm going through stuff, like because I haven't been talking about things that I've went through, like past, my past, and isn't it? But every time I would voice it out and say stuff. I'm not saying I was a saint. Also, every time I would like voice it out and nanani towards the end saying so moral of the story is ungamtsheli umuntu othandana naye or umngani inkinga zakho bazokuthuka ngakho ekugcineni doll ungakholwa uthi ngibonga uzoyibeka up le phone just awubambelela or asisimise lesikhwama naso lesikhwama ngathi asikho strongish. Yes yeah yo ngiyasha. Once you start posting, right? And the guys in here ukuthi mina bengayena umpostoli bakithi. Bengayena umpostoli moya ngcwele ngiyangazi ngifanayo indaba. Ayibo ngeke. Ngifanayo indaba mina if there's one person okwazi ukuthula nje angafuni ukuthi ngifana indaba but meke naqala napostana moyo ngcwele. But I won't say like it was horrible like that. Like it was nice. There were times where it was super nice. Like he wasn't such a bad person. He wasn't such a bad person. I wasn't such a bad person too. But obviously, as of ama differences here and there, and also if you guys could actually know the reason of us breaking up, I was a gun girl. I was gone, and like I don't want to talk to anyone when I wake up besides him and my friends. If I'm online, I'm online. I even changed the way I dress mostly. Like a page in lami, like against the show, goes like bonagala relationship, relationship, supposed like the way like ever more a page in lam and actually scroll, like you can actually see that ukuthi yazini bengifuna kubonakala ukuthi ngigumjolo manje ayi ukuthi manje ngiyathandana nomuntu ngibhizi ngipost izinqa day in day out cha or cleaning ngisho page lami guys. Like I was, it was 7 months. We lasted 7 months. Yashisa insimbi. What made you guys break up? Yo, kuningi. But obviously I'm getting blamed for it. So we mean trouble making cool, I guess. Or you mean no figure ningi. I don't know. But I won't change my heart and I won't give up on love just because me and him didn't work out. I still want to be in love and I will try again. I'll try again, but just not now, because if there's one person who was I heal it, I be right before I move it on, it's me, because I don't want to be like abusing or emotionally abusing the next person just because of my past traumas. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna heal myself. I'm gonna be single for like maybe 2-3 months nyana, just ukuthi ngibuyise ingqondo ngibone ukuthi simisa kanjani manje. Angiyena umuntu vele uthi eqeda ephuma nje emjolweni mase ngiyagijima manje sekubona sengifuna ukumgcwalisele angiyona leyo type ngigcwalisela ngomoya wabani. Yeah, I'm not oversharing, but I'm the one who ran to the social media and posted, so I owe you guys an explanation. Not really like a deeper one like that, but I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. Hi, Neds, asikulap. Lapho I can't eat or drink. 3 months. Futhi mina ngiyakwazi ukuhlala no format, ngiyakwazi ukuhlala ngisingle mina for isikhathi eside nje ngiphila impilo yami nje. Umeke wangitshela uyangithanda ngikhatha off. What uyangithanda ngikhatha off? Ngiyakhathana ke mina off ke mengiyitshelile ukuthi nje noma indaba yabafana mase wena uyabuya uzongitshela uyangithanda ngizokukhatha off. Ungangijwayeli nje abuba uthi ngifuna umjolo. Ta. Akekho hlukana nomunye. It was just vele kwabonakala nje ukuthi ay siyahluleka and silwa njalo, and it's just I hate breakups too, especially when you like that person was starting to be like your best friend like that. Like I hate it. But I mean, isemhlabeni la baby girl. Siyakhala at least angimithanga kodwa moyo ngcwele. Awu baba. Kosi. Over to you, get God, my dear. Ha ingelosi yokumitha ikweqile. Ungeqeleni. Ngadlala. Ubani usiyamthanda? Kuthiwa ngikublock siyamthanda utheni? Usiyamthanda noma bani? Yeah, uyena usiyamthanda. Ish. Ngimboni. I ditched pregnancy, honey, like sukusele kangaka. Sukusele kangaka. Sukusele kangaka. That slicer. Yes, he only agreed on what Sihle was saying because bese sihlukene ngaleso sikhathi and bese singekho right vele siphelile into yethu, so it was nice doing business. Yinhle le breast, yiphi breast? Abortion, I don't suggest people do abortion, yes. Angazi, I just, if mina bekuthiwa seke ngamitha bengizosigcina leso sisu engizoyenza, but ngeke ngiyenze abortion khohlwane bakithi. Masifikile ingane. Kaze nga-aborta mina, angaze ngaqala. Ngiqale manje. Buyisa inhliziyo. Nani. Nothing sucks like those unnecessary fights, yo. Oh, boring. How do you go from being kade ngangitshola phela kuqale ngomfana ukujola naye inkosi yami kade ngangitshola and to think it wasn't our first time actually dating. We've dated before. Sahlukana. And then saphinde sahlukana nje sablockana yonke indawo and bekuyiyona leyo nto. There was a reason why abantu bahlala bathi yena if he would come back and angry, right? Uyangithuka manje, seyangithuka yo, seyangithuka. He's being disrespectful, like bad. I bought earrings, honey. I even bought like a matching thingy necklace. Did you cry after the breakup? Yes. It's been a month manje sihlukene. It's just izinto manje ziphuma manje, but it's been a month ngikhalile. That whole month I was crying day in day out, actually begging him. Like, I don't know why I was begging him, because wrong nami ngirong on my end, but I was begging him to act right, ukuthi silungise and sibe right nana. But then again it got to a point where I was like, okay, sharp. Because besithi siyalungisa still mase yo yabona nama phone futhi nama social media ezinye inkinga lezo edineo ukhona yini. Hey baby, how are you? Siyakubona lapho ekuhambeni. Do you do 50-50 with your boyfriend? No, but this particular relationship like, because I have my own things, I can take care of myself. That's what I want in every relationships that are also gonna come. Like, because you actually wanted to nigga me. Whatever, okadufuna unginika yona. Angisamfuni unjolo ehlangene nokuthi mele unginikeze manje sekumele ngibe ngifuna lokho. I love you, be strong. I will be strong, my baby. I will be. Ooh, yes, and easy. Said it was nice doing business. No way, they're not like that. Ish awuyazi leyo nto, ish awuyazi leyo joke. Like, you missed the joke, honey. You really missed the joke. I'd love to buy you flowers and champagne sometime. Ngiyabonga. He doesn't spoil you like that anyways. Yeah. Hi, Bonina. Hi, bo le ntombazane. Hayi bo le ntombazane. Anyways, guys, yeah. So, in everything, noma yini angayisho about me right now, from now on, angeke asho ukuthi I was a gold digger or I was a what. Never, never, ever. Because Mingi, again, like, I literally just wanted him. Like, I really, really just wanted him. I bengafuni mali yakhe, bengafuni whatever. Or fame. I mean, I also have my own. You know, I'm not famous, but I'm well known. So it wasn't even about that. It wasn't. I wasn't even a fan. Like, I'm not even a fan. Like, good imagine fan singing because it was just genuinely me wanting him. Like, ubiena, but guys, please stop being mean. He never liked you. He wanted to boost his ego. Hey, so at some point, I actually just thought that he actually, besides boosting his ego, like, imina nje kade imina oncengayo, imina njalo olungisayo, njalo imina melafona alungisa inkinga, njalo imina melafona alungisa inkinga every time. Njalo. If yabona mekuthiwa khona labantu laba bathi but he never says anything though. Yes, that's on him. Na imefuna ukusho akasho whatever he wants to say about me, like anginankinga. Wonke umuntu uzoba neside lakhe le story. I'm not saying ukuthi I was the best. I had mina futhi like there were times where I would actually say mean things, but for me to say those mean things, you have to provoke me multiple times. And then obviously Nami, I'm not condoning the way I reacted sometimes. Not sometimes, most of the times. Mina, ama reactions wami, they were too much. They were too much because when you keep poking me and poking me and poking me, and then lang explode khona ngizo explode mase ngikhuluma masimba ke. Mase sengikhuluma masimba sengiyayisola futhi because now I'm like, damn, I didn't have to be that harsh. I didn't have to be that harsh. Like, yeah, my only thing engenzile mina wrong in their relationship, and I'm gonna admit it now, was actually saying mean things to him. But another thing is, I'm not crazy. I am not crazy. I am not crazy. Angeke ukuthi ngivele ngivuke ekseni ngidecide ukuthuka umuntu or ngisho something bad or whatever the case may be. I'm not crazy. Angihlanye ngekhanda. If there's one thing I like, it's respect. Yes, I lost my respect, Nami, at some point in the relationship because of how Nami I was being disrespected. Like, eventually Nami angeke mina ngithi ngithola indoda right ngihlukumezele ukuthi sihlukane. Angeke. Uy, sihlezi. Yo. To think ukuthi I can't drink namhlanje. Yo, mayingcwele. Jona nomato ayibo guys in ankameni. Usamthanda ne I don't know. Even if sometimes like love alone is not enough. Make us lose respect for each other. It's shy. He would break up with me multiple times. I would break up with him multiple times. It was bad, guys. It was bad. Like, it was bad. It was bad. And after the posting, it just went more worse. And after him, his song actually popping, I don't know, kind of less big or less, and just vele zabakhona and she, guys. Yabo futhi uphinde ungibone nama industry boys, uphinde ungibone cela ungibhaxe ngoba angazi nami uphinde ungibone. And to think ukuthi guys, like I want you guys to please like give me advice on this, because there was a time, okay, obviously with my relationships there's always going to be stuff going on, you know, there's always going to be stuff going on, and yes, bakhona baba right, bakhona baba wrong, but if you're not forgiving, like if khona into engiyenzile wrong and then siyathandana and then siyathandana and siyadlula kuleyo nto ngixolise mase uthi siyadlula kuleyo nto mase siyadlula kuyona and then wena manje before sihlukane manje and then usubuyisa zonke lezi zinto othe uyangixolela zona, then why didn't you just break up with me at that time when I still did that thing? And it wasn't stuff I did, it was stuff I said. Like it was stuff I said ngomlomo because I was being provoked. I'm not playing victim. Now he probably has his side of the story. That's if he was khuluma cool sengize ngine Milky Way. He's wrong. Awukwazi ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi uyangixolela dog and then emva kalapho uzoyibuyisa lezo zinto. Should ubung pretend the whole time. Bung pretend the whole time. It's fine, kodwa guys. It's fine. And then on top of that, izinto ekade ngikutshela zona. I'm getting emotional. Breathe in, breathe out. You still want him. I don't want him. I'm just sad. I don't want him. I don't want him because now, even now, he did want to be civilized. Even manje sihlukana in peace, like singalwi. He started swearing at me. He's calling me names. He's calling me this. He's calling me that. And then I'm like, but bes ngaba civilized. Siphume kahle. Like we didn't have to be. Yabo, we didn't have to be like that. Bes ngahlukana nje kahle, like kuba ukuthi yeah, no, it's okay, it didn't work out. We both tried. You tried, I tried on my end and it didn't work. Like such as bam some togo for sake. It's okay. Hlukana no Cocomelon Cindy, you're a big girl. Don't underestimate yourself. Esh, batong. They're going to post this on the blogs. Angnandaba, honestly, I do not care a damn. Angnandaba. They've posted worse things about me anyways. So benga. Give yourself a break. I am gonna give myself a break. He was insulting me at the end. Literally, and ngizehlisa nalapho. Ngizehlisa kuyimina ozehlisayo futhi. Ngizehlisa ngizenze slim. Ngithi okay, sharp mfethu. Ang-insulta. Athi mina. Oh, batong. Shuti is on izinto like Shuti, that's how he felt about you. Guti, that might help. Yeah, like it felt like when he was saying those things, it felt like it's stuff that he always wanted to say. Like, because if there was one thing about him, like, he'd literally tell me that, I don't, like, obviously, Kazi Nyayazi isn't actually postwa ngami whatsoever. You know very well. And everyone knows because people are always posting shit. Whether it's true or not, you know the public is going to stick to whatever they want to stick to. The public is gonna stick to whatever. At least you have a beautiful body and a car. Hey, batong. At least, I have more things to appreciate in life. Actually, there's stuff that I should be appreciating. I haven't been happy. But obviously, I will come on here and laugh and make you guys laugh, and we'll be fine, and then act like I get it wrong. But it's fine. Yeah. So, hi. I'm good. How are you?
We'd like to invite you somewhere. Sorry.
Pardon?
We're going to invite you guys somewhere next week. Wayno's. It's a new restaurant app. You must invite your friends and you must come.
Where?
It's in Southampton. It's called Wayno's.
Wayno's.
Wayno's, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll send you an invite. You can can come eat on us. It's actually the tasting of the food and our menu.
It's a restaurant.
Restaurant, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's
Thank you,
nice.
guys.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Cindy.
Let me get another phone. I got you down.
Yeah, you can add me on Instagram.
What Cindy? Shit, I don't do Insta. I don't do Facebook.
Oh shit! I don't like giving out my number. I don't know why.
Don't worry, we don't stalk. Give me a.
I can give you my business number though.
That's fine. Let me get a cell.
Ngiyamenywa guys kuthiwa liwozani siyodla ukudla kwamahhala izani Thobile how now lana hello guys uthi umfana ubavula irestaurant uthi anginimeme nani akumenywanga ngedwa thiwa size sonke yizwa lalela thiwa mema your friends. I see a tattoo on your neck. Yeah, I have a tattoo on my neck. Kathiwa sambe nsodla ngizonibhalela igama la. But if how is it possible that you don't even have a page for a restaurant?
No, we literally, to be honest, we're only launching it literally next week, and it's not even a full launch. It's more of a tasting session.
Okay, you said I can invite my online friends, right?
Yeah. I can give you a list of 4 people to come with.
4 people. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But you guys, it's like free food.
Yeah.
Free, and the cocktails are free because we created like a whole cocktail menu, drinks on the house.
Yeah.
And it's from 7 until 9, so it's for 2 hours.
Oh,
Nothing
okay. All right. Makes sense. I'm trying to look for my business number. 069 399 8659.
And it'll be good if you need money for your business. Actually, we got a couple of the boys coming in.
No, okay. No, I don't need money. I'm fine.
What's your name? Cindy.
Yes.
Cindy. My name is Malik.
Oh, nice to meet
I'll send
you.
you a message, or Samantha will send you a message.
Okay.
Cool.
You can send Samantha to send a message.
She'll hit you up.
All right. Guys, agetha njani lo muntu lo? Sivele siye sonke soba 1.2. Yo, guys, sibenyiwe. No, bangigadile labantu bakule car wash. Akufani nase Rosebank lana oh akubatshontshe kakhulu lana eRosebank bayantshontsha yo. It's my business number. Like it's literally my business number. To bani kama lakhe Malik Molok. But at break it bimnandi la at break yes. What if he wants to trap you? Angeke angitrap because this phone that I'm live with, I don't pay attention to it. I literally don't pay attention to it. What if Hey. Sebafuna ukungibulala. Awu, ngeke mina ngiright. Angeke ngiyenze leyo nto phela it's like me I'm going to go there and do PR for them for free, just for free food and free drinks. I can easily go to opera. But say it's not opera, it's opera. I can easily go to opera for that. Like I get free drinks, free food. And I get paid for being there. So no thank you. How do you actually launch a restaurant with no Insta page? Like make it make sense, so yo sitshela no guy oh usiyeke ngoMelik yo ayisapheli nale moto ngiyasha yo. The money part, Haibo, the money part was so unnecessary. Like, Haibo, lo muntu. Lo muntu, lo ufuna ukungidayisa. But it's free. He's lying. He wants your phone number. And I'm not going to give him my personal phone number. What? No, honey. Ushelwa kangaka ngosuku kaningi yo kuyakhathaza fana like it's not nice. It's not nice. Kuphi lokhu oku ayibo ambani nombheke efonini yakhe. Yakhumbula ngalesa sikhathi ningitshela ukuthi uposte something engibiza ngeho. Akaqali ungibiza ngeho. You remember when I didn't know he called me a hoe, and then you guys actually was there, and then I went live, and then everyone was like, did you see what fellow posted? I'm like, no, I did not see. Lucky enough, I was with Elsa at that time, and then Elsa is like, I bought Chomi, let me go check. Batong. Bangbize ngeho. So if a hoe, what's a what? Hit him more weedy. Hi, Bolumpan. I'm like, okay, then. If I'm a hoe, then that's okay. Why did you even stoop that low? Mama, he's not all that. Yo, guys, Batong. Please don't be mean. That was once my husband. Oh my God, like it was so nice dating him. I won't lie, but it wasn't that nice because half the time, like 80% of the relationship was just fights. And it's no, like with the fights, I would come and be like, okay, what do you suggest we do? Kona izinto zizolunga. Like, what do you suggest we do? Kona izinto zizolunga. No, he will stick to the fighting. Like, I don't know. And then I'd obviously get pissed and say stuff too, like mean things. Like I would say like mean things also. Like Angazi Ngiti. Yeah, he does make great music. Askaze sakpiga loco. Like he's lovely. That's one thing no one can take from him. That's one thing. Yes, he might not be, I like this comment, he might not be all that, but he was, yeah, I liked him. Accusing you of cheating, he would always think that I'm cheating. Oh my God, I had to explain. Guys, like, it's very tiring. It's very tiring. It was very toxic. Like I don't want to lie. Manje ukunde ini imbungculweni hayibo ongalinga ngilenzele uphutha inkinga inwele zami nami nginayi headline kodwa ukuthi isiphongo sami vele siqalela la. Awe ma akaqedini nkosami sengifuna ngendlini yami mina. I'm gonna go live. And then, why did you zip up? Because, and he was romantic. I remember when he did the whole setup. Yeah, he was, yeah. He was, ooh. Congra. I never cheated. Nope. Ungazongidakela wena ubani the real langelihle ungazongidakela. Go get your facts straight. I've never cheated on that man. I had a thing with Ujezi way before. It was just ukuthi sahlukana nani. We had a thing. So ungasho ukuthi ngacheater because I was still dating him futhi ngaleso sikhathi besithandana mina no fellow. And then whoever who was touching my phone wabona izinto zami zakudala why poster. So ungasho ukuthi ngichithile mina ungalinge nje ukhuluma into ongayazi. Go get your facts straight mase uyabuya ungakhuluma amasimba kutshela. And umfana to top it all out. Like uyaphoxa uyisiphoxa sendoda. Khuluma manga you shit. Fucking moron. Go get your facts straight, honey. How about that? It will take time for you to move on because you really love them. It won't. You know, go to Bizo Tatis Katimekwanzanjan if I didn't get the disrespect towards the end. If I didn't get the disrespect towards the end, it was gonna take some time. But now the way he disrespected me, like it was too crazy. It was too crazy. Like Uyangiyanyisa lo mfana ukhuluma amanga. Hawu. Ukhuluma amanga. Did you meet his family? No, it was actually an over the phone thing. It was too soon. Did Diamond teach you Setswana? He did not. Like, bese khuluma isiZulu naye. Why ungekuze uphuze today so you don't follow? So guys, I don't follow him because the first time we dated and then we fought and then sahlukana, I blocked him everywhere. And then Instagram has this thing of masumblockile umuntu for isikhathi eside mhlambe more than like a year, they're gonna disappear. Uyabathanda laba bangasile emakhaya. It was just me and Jesse was just a fling, honestly. It was just a fling. And you guys, they exposed me more. So good Twitter, you guys know about this. And that's why I need this. Uyabathanda laba bafana. Ngithanda lofana ngeke avele akuthuke you obsessed. Awe ma wena. Okay, oh. It's fine, oh. Sizwa ngawe. Uthi mina obsessed cabanga. Uthi mina obsessed. Bathong. It's not me. I don't have Twitter. I do not have Twitter. Hawu musani uqamba mange iyapostwa yonke indawo. You remember ngalesi sikhathi beposta le ndaba leya? Le ndaba yamdala le. Okay, ayidala just now ngoJanuary yami nalo mfana loyani. Besingazi awuseniyazi ke. We just had a fling, like it didn't even last a month. Yo, ayingeke sengikhathele uhlala la. Hello. Siyaqada. Okay, sengikhathele uhlala la yo. Nangisho ukuthi nje ukuhlala lana nje. How did you feel when you saw that video going viral? Which one? What happened with you? And it's just, guys, sometimes like Kona, my friendships are last. There's relationships that are not gonna last, and there's a whole lot of things. Yo, othi ngiblockhe lona usekhuluma ngeingane zabantu manje. Report. Khuluma ngeingane zabantu manje. So, othi ngintshele ke. Ukephi kunomsindo I'm at the car wash. I'm washing my car. I'm so tired. Yo, I can't eat or drink today. Batong. Girl, did you do a BBL or a lipo? Who's your doctor? Dr. Petit doll. Some relationships are meant for a season. Yeah. The one in the bathroom. Yo guys, I can't be talking about abantu abanye, like especially girls. Like I don't want to be, you never see me going live and Cindy blocked me. Okay, I got you. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. When are you coming to the UK? I was supposed to come. I was supposed to get a gig in August, but ish. Abantu abaya khona angizwani nabo, so I was just thinking ukuthi ngizohlala nabantu engazwani nabo for 3 days. I can't. I got you, my baby. What if guys when you also said please block me? I'm blocking. I'm not done. Go pamper yourself with maintenance days of a grind. How right to mean? If there's one thing for sure, especially like lama relationship lama breakups are very hard. They very relationships. Let me just say relationships. I character building like it's improving my character. It's literally improving my character, and oh my god. Are you hurt or sad? I was hurt and sad, but it's been a month now. Where did you get your lashes done? I tagged the girl, but I'm gonna tag her again. Aren't you giving him what you want by talking about him? No, babes. It's actually a matter of I'm the one who actually people about the best here and there and but I was the one who actually went live. I mean not live, but posted him like openly like that, like on my socials, of which I know I get crazy numbers on my socials. So I don't know. I angisho ukuthi ngiyangazi mina ukuthi into mengafuna ukuyichaza angichazi. But I feel like I just owed you guys like an explanation and everything, and also ukuthi wonke labantu laba balibe bethi hey where's who ningalibele ningibuza ngaye. Like I get really tired when I go live and then you guys keep asking me about him, like yang discourage and ngeke ngisaba live. Like there's gonna come a time where I'm gonna just stop going live because like ningibuza kanjani umuntu engingasangiboni naye. Why aren't you eating, mama? Because ngimchazela mina nami guys yazi mangase kuthiwa manje ngibhala ibhuku ngempilo yami shame. You guys could say that, damn girl, you've been through all that. I mean, how do you feel about that video he did on TikTok using the same sound as you did? Anginankinga. Onkomutu is allowed to use their platform however they want to use it. I mean, ooh, sana. Onkomutu, I mean, I'm a follower Zaki page, like he's allowed to post anything, even if I post to go to hey, he page like. Is BBL heavy? No. Can you hire me to be a security? I go kunini ngicela. I'm a security mean. Would you date the Coca owner? I don't know who's the Conca owner. You're about to tell us why. What sound was that, guys? You need therapy. I need therapy. And to think he's everyone's crush, most influencers. Abahambe phezu bayaba crush. Abahambe beyojola nabo. Babone benza njani bahlanganise face. Abahambe. Would you be a stripper in Nigeria? Ngazongidakela mina. I don't ngidakela bo. Yabona ukuthi ngikhatha nabantu bathi bayangihleka la ngazongidakela mina. Awumlethe ngapha entuzuba sizokhuluma naye. Would you date Kabza the Small? No. Why? Why? For what? How do you ask men for money? I don't ask men for money. I have my own money. Don't you think you should date out of... Actually, I will try that. I feel like I haven't given myself time. Like, I don't know. I have a thing. I think I have a thing for DJs, and I have to stop that now. Because I have like, I have to like try ngaphandle nje. Today I haven't been blocking you guys like that, yes? Like, it's just ukuthi nje ngiyathanda what everyone has to say. Like, I want to hear what everyone has to say. There was a time, the fact area, I will give a motherfucking for me when I Cindy, end the life. I wanna cook ubuye. Sabi ay kati mo tam unzo ba live kancane emotweni playing some music maseke. Guys, aningiyekeni nibo. Keep on pushing your content, please. You deserve this. I will. Yo, ODJ baphathisana ngekhanda ngekuphinde ungibone shem. Or maybe I'm the toxic one. Maybe I don't know. Yo. I believe I can fly. Are you considering having a YouTube channel? Guys, I'm about to restructure my life. Like, I'm about to restructure my life. Like, I want to do like different things and change my environment and like, you know, stay away. I made sure that I stayed away from soccer players. Now I have to like alright, good for you, honey. Do you think comments on social media ruined it? Here and there, but I mean, if umuntu egade ehlalile, even after people actually posted shitty things about me like that, I don't know how to explain that one. How do you deal with mean comments? Don't they get to babes? In social media, it's been years. You go social media. I think since I was in grade 10. And I've been getting negative comments like all the damn time. I was bound to get used to it. Start a podcast. Or I could just have a YouTube channel. And then there, I just like, maybe today, maybe I'm gonna do a story time in my car. Maybe the following day, I'm gonna do a story time at my place. Maybe I will go to one of the KFCs and do a story time at the anywhere I go, I do a story time. Because wow, how do you handle the pressure of being, it's not nice, my sister. Yeah, but was he really okay with it? Ask yourself. He wasn't okay with it. He wasn't. So that's... Oh, thank God. Your nap, man. Bye. Ja, boys? Yazi anginawo cash yazi. Ngizokubona mase ngibuye, ngisazobuya la. Yeah. Alright, sharp.
Angizwa ngithi bengangiboni.
Bengisethekwini inkinga namade ngingekho nala ingakho ade ngawashi nemoto. Yeah, I went home.
Bathini ngase Dubai.
Hey, angazi nami bathini, angazi. Yeah. Oh, it smells so horrible. Yabonga yes? Ooh.
Kunjani ubani mina?
Yo, akubandi yazi njengalana. Ay la sefrijini la. isefrijini la. I'm trying to go live kancane. Ish le phone ivele isinde ke. Lento lena yenziwa. Let me call Thando. But Thando iphazwa la. Iphazwa ke. Okay, let me just do it first. Like this and see. Oh, okay. Tell Thando uyabeka la kanje. Mase uthi qa. I did something very stupid though. Fuck. I think I broke this thing. Hello, are you holding on? Holds on. Kumnandi ukuhlala ngedwa, guys, the way I talk to myself. Thank you. Aibo. Oh, it's Kuma Sam getting one yakho le. Awuleli Windy. Ongsulel. All right. How am I ngishiyena le moti on the whole time? Hey, bandla. Mahloni kimi.
Same now.
All right, shop. Let's see, welcome, man. Connected. Tingidlala ingoma yami.
Wanna be a star.
Yeah.
Back where I came from.
Ish, ngawushayisa lo mgqomo.
Bekungelula. Last you got caught now. Wanna be a star. Where I came from, Bekungelula. Last you got caught now. Bitch, snitch why you pull out. I wasn't nobody, but now I'm somebody. Let's see more without one more. I can see. I just wanna be as fly. Show you real quick. Sometimes you. I just wanna be as fly. Show you real quick. Sometimes you. Mama's baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, and the top's where I belong. And I'm barely home. I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me. Mama told me keep it going. Wanna be a star, be a star. We gon' make it, and it's written in the stars. Now a couple people pray that I fall. See you black and ball. I sleep on you. Gotta get my name up. When I'm in my later, see you later. I don't know to get high. I just wanna be a star. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. You fly. I just wanna be a star. You me, I'm a baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, and the top's where I belong.
What's my whole petrol?
I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me. Mama told me keep it low.
Oh, thank you very much, Malume. Hey. I'm a baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom. Am I stupid for always playing Elona? Hey, I'm a baddie on a budget. Fine. I'm a baddie on a budget. I get people saying I'm this side. Okay.
Hey, I just need a tick, how am I? Drip, giving fresh, how am I? Pull up in the Benz, how am I? Slap, time I think, how am I? I just need a tick, how am I? Funny children drip, how am I? Zaza le ulit, how am I? Denny Ube sit, how am I? I just need a tick, how am I? Drip, giving fresh, how am I? Pull up in the Benz, how am I? Slap, time I think, how am I?
What's the previous song?
I just need a tick, how am I? Funny children drip, how am I? Zaza le ulit.
It's an Aldo bag. Aldo.
I just need food. I pull up in a coat.
Bye.
All my niggas.
Hello, Malume.
Baling on my cool. Like they really always tryna catch my drift. Says in your ponyo. I might pull up in a Tonka. Got they TVs out they loop. All eyes on the kid. Young boy Harris. My music Cavelli. Better back hit. Still one more. I saw my daily. All I see is upstate teaming up, but still on my lane. Need my money and shit, be working overtime, bong, I'm 80. Man, that I told ya, Funi doesn't kulumni lagi. Tryna dish, who's on me like no 9 to 5, but I'm putting that work. I'm making sure my mulati G. Tryna be a cover of a magazine. Are you gang on top, no in between? And I'm lit as gas, pick up my cell. Then he's saying that they tired of me. How am I? How drip, even fresh, how am I? Pull up in the Benz, how am I? Slap, time I think, how am I? I just need a tick, how am I? Funny children drip, how am I? Zaza le ulit, how am I? Denny Ube sit, how am I? I just need a tick, how am I? Drip, give it first, how am I? Pull up in the Benz, how am I? Slap, time I think, how am I? I just need a tick, how am I? Funny children drip, how am I? Zaza le ulit, how am I? Denny Ube first, how am I?
I kind of don't like this song anymore. Ngihlala uDrake wami. What the lengoma is? Nope. Nope. What song should I play? I'm trying to be in the mood. Mood.
say, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. And I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, I want to fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found and said you picked up. I know he's not around. Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying that you could do better. Tell me wow. I'm just saying you could do better.
Beautiful.
And I'll start hating only if you make me. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important. I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad.
I really don't want to go to my place.
You still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found and said you picked up. I know he's not around.
Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying that you could do better. Sorry.
Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better. And I'll start hating only if you I think I'm addicted to naked pictures and sitting talking about bitches that we almost had. I don't think I'm conscious of making monsters out of the women I sponsor till it all goes bad. But shit, it's all good. We do a party, yeah, we do.
A party. No. Yabona manje. Yangiphazamisa.
Insurance. All our operators are currently busy singing happy birthday to Townsend from accounts who brought a cake.
Guys, I'm gonna thingy. This opening network, I'm going to my basement parking. So bye. See you now though. When a good thing goes bad, it's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world. It's just the end of a world that you had with one girl, and she's the reason it happened. But she's overreacting, and it's all because she don't want things to change. So cry if you need to, but I can't.
Come pick me up. So yeah, I'm so whatever. Baby, what the name? Yeah, uthanda abafana mina shami. Useni. Kodwa manje sekumele mhlambe ngizame amanye ama flavors. I love walking in here and it's tidy. Oh, lovely. I just have to pick up my thing. Funny like a little book. I just have to pick up